Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, another shout out video. I want to give a shout out to an individual that always keeps me motivated, is always there, something positive, and I can really appreciate that. Alright, and that shout out goes to Just a Work Truck. Alright, it's not a YouTube channel. Alright, but you can find Just a Work Truck on Mo's Performance YouTube channel. Alright, Just a Work Truck is on Instagram right now for the most part. A whole lot of awesome content over there. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Pimpins. Alright, so if you wanna see a couple badass trucks, alright, and appreciate somebody that appreciates everybody else for the most part, you know what I'm saying? I ain't asking them to appreciate everybody. I ain't trying to speak for them, you know what I mean? But it's been a badass individual to me and I can appreciate that. So this is the shout out to Just a Work Truck. Alright? Deserves it, man. It's doing stuff. It's having fun. Good for the community. Get some.